I'm here at the legendary Sloppy Joe's bar, known for its music and food. Let's see how this place is. I think this is the gift shop. I guess we can go through the gift shop. Hey! Oh, you know me, huh?
Since your New York days, man.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Right.
Yes.
Cool.
I'm gonna eat here today.
You want to look?
Here we go. Sloppy Joe's. Got the menu. We got a pretty big menu. Salads, tacos, burgers. Not sure what I'm gonna get yet. Here's the original Sloppy Joe sandwich. It's ground beef, rich tomato sauce, onions, peppers, and spices, and a large pickle too. $11.99. Oh my gosh. You can see why they call this the famous Sloppy Joe sandwich, because of all the ground beef, but this looks so messy, I think I'm gonna use a fork and knife to eat it. Sloppy Joe's sandwich, let's do this. This is definitely too messy to pick up, that's why it's sloppy. I gotta use a fork and knife. I need to cut it 2 ways. They didn't even ask me if I wanted it well done or medium, whatever. I guess this is the way we eat it. This is good. Rich tomato sauce, ground beef, onions. This is really good. Who says you need a compressed beef patty to make a good sandwich? Just loose ground beef works well. And this is so savory. There's a reason why this place is so good, because of their food and their entertainment. Maybe later we'll see a band performing on the stage, but until now, this food is delicious. Sloppy Joe's in Key West. So good.